Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we're going to look at how to add a logo to a Google Ads account. Why do you want to do this? Maybe you just need it updating, but it also improves brand recognition, increases trust and credibility. It can make your ads look more professional. For example, if you do not have a logo on your Google Ads, it can kind of like look a little bit off. You may as well put your logo on there, and it does support stronger performance in visual placements, especially when it comes to things like PMax. So where do you do this? You can do it in a few places like campaigns or the PMax settings, but what I recommend you to do is go over to campaigns, assets, and then under assets. And then all you need to do is click on this business logo. If you have a logo on there already and you do not see it, I will just double check the filters, make sure you're not filtering this out. And on this screen, you will see all your different brand logos per campaign are also the account level. I strongly recommend that you use account level logos like this. It just really helps out when it comes to just adding your logo across all the campaigns, because otherwise you need to do it individually. There might be some cases where you don't want this. For example, if you've got two brands underneath the same Google Ads account, you might not want this. You might want to differentiate them up. And then I strongly recommend do not use account level business logo. But in this case, I really recommend you do so. For example, we've got one already live. So what I want to do in this case is just, let's just remove this, confirm. And this has removed the site level account business logo, so this would have appeared in all your ads. But if you want to add a new one, click on this plus button where it says business logo, and then all you need to do is either upload a photo or you can just select your logo and upload it as so. But being as we've already got a logo on here, which is perfect, I'm going to choose it as account level, or if you want to do it in an individual campaign, you can select it here, but I'm just going to choose the account level so it appears on all of my ads. And then once you are done, just click on save. Now this uploaded, potential customers will see this logo across all my ads, and I don't have to do it campaign by campaign. Much easier. And that's the end of the video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. It really helps out the channel. And I also do lots of other Google Ads content, and you'll learn a ton from them. Thank you.